Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with these pads, new larger pads. It's from Always Dreams pad and uninterrupted sleep with our best protection. So they have 7 pads with wings, maxi thick, night long. So it's really nice. These are the really long one and 360 all around coverage. So there will be no problem of leakage. So let's open it. One more thing I want to show you. You can, over here it's mentioned, see they come in this 4 size. Whatsoever size you want, you can get that in. The white will be over there. So I got the large ones. So see, you can see how large these are. It's really nice for night coverage also, night coverage basically, or it's your starting first day. So these are the best. So these are the 7. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.